Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my live stream. Good evening. Hope everyone's doing fine. Good evening, good evening. Yay. Hope everyone's doing fine, and welcome to my virtual classroom, my live stream for tonight. For tonight, we will be discussing about the area and circumference of circles, and then after this, we will be playing a few games, and it has been quite of a request. We will be playing two Mobile Legend games tonight. I know that everyone is already on holiday back in Philippines, so yeah, I agree on playing once you do not have anything to do. All right, so we will be starting with our area and circumference for maths, and then we would be doing a few of the games tonight. This will be probably the shortest live stream that I'll be doing since I started live streaming. Good evening everyone. All right, so we start with the area and circumference of circles. This is a very easy topic, and I hope that you will be able to understand. We will try to simplify it, and you will be able to understand the concept behind area and circumference of a circle. So we start with, what is a circle? So obviously, when we talked about circle, how do we define circle? If you would notice, a circle has a center, and it is actually a collection or set of points with the same distance from a fixed center. So this is actually your center. All right, so this is your center, and everything else surrounding it are fixed in distance from the center. So that is what we meant by circle. Okay, so before we start and do a few of the problem with regards to perimeter or circumference of circles and the area of circles, first thing that we have to do is define the key parts of your circle. So the first one, we have the perimeter of a circle is also known as your circumference. That means that's the distance around your circle. So around it, okay, around it is your perimeter. That is the perimeter. While your radius of a circle is the line between its center and its circumference. So anywhere from the center and the circumference, we call it radius, as long as it is from the center and the circumference, so any point. While a diameter is a full line connecting your points on your circumference to circumference that is passing through the center. Okay, so since it's a full line, that means it's two-way, that is touching circumference to circumference passing through the center. Therefore, your diameter is actually twice your radius, 2 times your radius. Okay, so you might be asking, what do we call that line which touches from point to point but not touching center? This is what we call a chord. All right, so we have as well a minor chord and a major, or a minor segment and a major segment. So a point, or sorry, a line that is touching circumference to circumference but not passing through the center is what we call a chord. Okay, moving on. So if you are asked what is the circumference of a circle, it's actually, you can actually measure it. If you use meter stick or your tape, meter tape or your tape measure, you can actually measure the circumference of a circle by putting it from one point and then connecting it around it. So circumference of a circle, we actually can solve it. Okay, circumference. Sorry, I'll just change the color of my pen. Yay. So your circumference, all right, circumference of a circle can be calculated using the formula pi d. Pi is actually our, hi Maha Blanca, good evening. Pi is actually a constant value. Okay, it's a constant value which is 3.1415 if it is being terminated up to the 4th decimal place. But actually, hi Punini, but it doesn't end. Okay, so pi is an irrational number where it doesn't terminate or it doesn't end. But mostly, to find the exact value of a circumference or an area of a circle, or any for that matter that uses pi, you just leave it as a pi so that you would get the exact value. However, if not, then it is an estimate to either 1 or 2 decimal places. Okay, so circumference of your circle can be solved as pi d, or you can solve it as 2 pi r. Now, please do take note that your diameter is twice your radius. That is why you have a 2 and an r here. So that's 2 pi r. Okay, so do remember that, noting that diameter is twice the radius, so you have 2 pi r and your d is your diameter. So if you are asked to try the following, the first question is, it has an 8 meter and it's a diameter. So since it is a diameter, then you simply use the formula circumference is pi d. And then you substitute your diameter, which is 8. And if you are asked for the exact diameter for this circle, then it's 8 pi. Or otherwise, you multiply it with 3.14. That will be times 8. Okay, so you will have your equivalent, which is 25.1 meter. Okay, so it can be 8 pi meter or 25.1 meter. So it depends on the question. If it says find the exact circumference of a circle, then you leave it as a pi. You don't solve it. But if you are asked find the circumference of a circle in 2 decimal places, or in 2 significant figure or 3 significant figure, then you have to press your calculator, or you multiply it with the equivalent value of your pi. Okay, so another question, you have a radius of 3 centimeters. So if you are asked to find the circumference of this, so since the given is 3 centimeter, which is radius, so you use the formula 2 pi r. All right, so 2 pi r, so you substitute 2 pi and then the r, which is 3. So you will have 6 pi, that's a cm, which is the exact value, or you can multiply it with the equivalent of pi, then you will get 18.8 centimeters. All right. So if you are asked to, as I've mentioned, if you are asked for the exact or decimal value, this would be the last example for circumference, then you will have to determine the circumference of a circle with exact form. So your circumference here will be, what will be your value then? That will be, since it's radius, then you will have 2 pi r. That will be 2 times pi times 5. Okay, so your exact value will be 10 pi units, or you will have 10 times 3.142, then that will be 31.42 units. Okay, please do take note that if there are no measurement or unit given, then you can safely use the word units, square units, cube of a unit, or unit cube, and so on and so forth. Okay, moving on. So area. So we have done circumference, and so if we talked about area of a circle is the space. So it's the same with the area of any shape. It's always the space that is bounded in a 2D shape. So for this case, for your circle, it's the area inside. So if you are asked to find the circumference, sorry, the area of your circle, for a while, something went wrong with my, sorry guys, I think something went wrong. There is a missing link. It's gone. It's gone. There is a missing, okay, let me just use a different pen. This is the problem with this is the problem with you would get when you use technology as well. Okay, I found a replacement. Hopefully this would, yay, yes, it works. Sorry for that intermission. Okay, so moving on. So you have your area formula, which is pi r squared. Okay, so that is the formula for your circle. So for example, if you are asked to find the area of a circle with a radius of 4 centimeter, giving your answer to 1 decimal place or giving your answer to exact value, then you just need to substitute area, which is pi, and then 4, and then square. And of course, following BIDMAS, you have to square first the radius before you multiply it to pi. So that will be 16 pi centimeter square, or the exact value to 1 decimal place. Then that's the exact value. Okay, 16 pi is your exact value. And if you're asked to give your answer to 1 decimal place, then that will be 50.3 centimeters square. All right. So if we are asked to find, let's say for example, you are asked to find the value or the area of the following, and the value should be in 1 decimal place. Give your answer in 1 decimal place or to 1 decimal place. So if that's 4.6 centimeters, so therefore the area would be pi 4.6 square. So using your calculator, or you can multiply it, 4.6 times 4.6 times the value of pi, which is 3.142 or 3.1416, then you will get a value of your area, which is 66.5 centimeter square. Okay, now if you are asked to find the exact area and give your answer in exact form, then therefore for this second question, since you are given diameter, so that means that you have to find, hi Ambery, that means that you have to find first the radius, and we all know that radius is half of your diameter. So therefore, since it's half of your diameter, so all we need to do is we solve area equals pi, all right, and then half of it is 8, squaring it. So 8 square is 64, so your answer will be 64 pi unit or square units. Okay, so that is your area. Moving on, let's have a few more examples on area. So if you have 3 centimeter, therefore your area would be pi times 3 square. So that will be 3 square is 9 times 3.142. So you will have 28.3 centimeters square. Again, the same example. If you have 8 meters, that means that half of that will be 4 meters. So area here would be pi 4 squared, which is 16, 4 squared is 16 times 5, you will have 50.3 centimeter square. Meter square, sorry. Not centimeter square, the given is meter square. All right, so moving on. Something is wrong with my screen. Do you think it's a bit dark? I do not know. Probably it's just how I look at it. No, I think it's fine. Okay. All right, so moving on, fractions. When we talked about fractions of, or fraction of circles. So in this part of our topic tonight, we will be dealing with simple fractions only. So we will not go to like 30 degrees, 20 degrees, 16 degrees only as a portion. So by the way, when we talked about a fraction of your circle, we actually call it a sector or a part. Okay, a fraction of your circle is what we call sectors. So there is actually a formula for area sector, and there is also a formula for your arc length. Okay, so that means that those formulas are used to find the fraction of your circle. So for tonight, since I'm touching on the fractions of circles for year 7 or grade 7 and grade 8, so we only do the fraction of circles wherein you have either a quarter or a half. Okay, so we only touch on semicircles and quarters. So for area, since this is only a fraction of your circle, the first thing that you have to do is find the total area of your circle. So 6 here is your radius. So you have area is pi 6 squared. So pi 6 squared is 36 pi. Okay, now since it is a quarter, so this shape here or this part is a quarter. Why is it a quarter? Because it forms 90 degrees. And the total of a circle is 360. So 360 divided by 4 is 90. So that means that any part where it forms 90 degrees of your circle is actually a quarter or 1/4 of the whole circle. So since you have 36 pi as the area of the whole circle, all you have to do is divide 36 pi by 4, then you will get 9 pi, and that will be your area. So if you are asked to give the exact value, then that is 9 pi unit square. Okay, so that will be your area. So if you are asked, what if you are asked for the perimeter? How, or the circumference? How would you know the perimeter or the circumference of your shape? So for this case, since it's only a portion and there are 2 straight edges, we use the word perimeter instead of circumference, because circumference is used for, we don't use the term circumference for the perimeter here because it's not a full circle. That's the reason. Okay, so we don't use the word circumference to find the length or the total length outside of this portion of your circle or fraction of your circle, because it's not a full circle and you have 2 straight edges. Okay, so what would be our solution to find the perimeter of this fraction of circle? So first is the perimeter. The first thing that we have to solve is this one, the arc or the portion of your circumference. Okay, so how do we do that? The same thing, 2 pi r. So since radius is 6, so that will be 2 times 6 will be 12 pi. And since this is only a quarter or 1/4, so we divide it by 4, so we will get 3 pi. This 3 pi is the portion of your circumference of your circle. So to find the perimeter now, so this part here, let me use a different color pen. So this part here, is 3 pi. And then you have two parts here. Let me use a different color as well. And this one, these are both the same. This is radius. So plus 6 plus 6. So therefore, your perimeter now, so 6 plus 6 plus 3 pi will be 3 pi plus 12. Okay? If you are asked to find the exact value. By the way, you cannot combine 12 and 3. That is for the reason is that 3 has a pi. So unless you solve 3 times 3.14, 14.2 plus 12, then you can give the value of that. But I will leave that as it is, okay? So then you can solve it. So 3 times your pi in your calculator plus 12 will be the total perimeter of this fraction of your circle. Alright, so I will not continue with the calculation and just leave it as it is, as exact value. I hope everyone's doing okay. Alright, so let's try this example. You have fraction. Okay, so first is we solve the first example given here. So the area, let's solve area first. So the area is simply pi r squared. So that will be 49. 7 squared is 49 times pi. And since that's a fraction or a quarter, so divide by 4. Therefore, the area would be, if it is exact value, then that will be 49 over 4 pi, because we cannot simplify it further because there's nothing common between 49 and 4. Or you can solve this by giving your answer to one decimal place. So if it's to one decimal place, this will be 38.5 centimeters square. All right. Okay, so that is our area. And then for our perimeter would be your 2 pi r, 2 pi times 7 divided by 4. That will be 14 pi divided by 4 plus 2 of your radius here. So 7 plus 7 will be 14. So that will give you the perimeter, which is in 25 centimeter. I hope that's clear. Okay, moving on. Hopefully there's no question and that's clear. Moving on to the second question. Now you would see this as a semicircle, meaning half of your circle. So if it is half of your circle, to find the area, that means that the same thing, pi r squared. So since that is 16, sorry. So since the whole part here is 16, okay, since the whole part is 16, we have to divide it by 2. So 8 squared. So the radius is only 8. That's half. So 8 squared will be 64 pi. Okay, so the whole circle, the area of the whole circle is 64 pi, but since we are only given half of it, so we divide it by 2. 64 divided by 2 will be 32. Yes, 32 pi. Okay. So that will be the area of your circle. Now moving to the perimeter. Perimeter, again, you find first the circumference portion here. So perimeter will be 2 pi, and then your r is 8 divided by 2. So that will give you, hi Mathea, 2 pi, that is 16 pi divided by 2, that will be 8 pi. So that is the circumference part here. Yay, we'll play. 8 pi. So therefore, we add this whole thing here is 16, which is the diameter. So 8 pi plus 16. So 8 pi plus 16, that is the exact value of the perimeter of this semicircle. Okay, so yeah, I think I forgot to make this a colored one. Anyway, this one is yeah, I think this is the last one. So this one is actually a square. Okay, it's a square, and then in a square, the size of a square is 8 units. So if you are asked to find the area of the yellow or the shaded area, the yellow part, what we need to do here is same as how we did with your rectilinear shapes. We do subtractive method. We will solve the area of the whole square, and then we subtract the area of the circle. Now the side here is 8 meters. That means that half of 8 meters is actually our radius, which is 4. Oh, not meters, it's only 8. There's no unit. So half of it is 4, which is the radius. That is from the center to the circumference. That is actually 4, because that's touching both ends of your circle. So if you are asked what is the area would be the area of the square, which is 8 square, minus the area of the circle. That means that we will find the area of the colored or the shaded part, which is yellow. So area of the circle will be pi 4 squared. So that means that 64 minus 16 pi. Then you can solve. Okay, so that is what we call subtractive method. That's an example. So if you are given half, so the same thing, if it is half and you are asked for the area, sorry about this, it's crooked in color with your line. Okay, yeah, just don't mind the one on top. So if you are asked, if it is half of your circle and you're asked to find the area of the shaded, the yellow part. So if you are asked for the shaded part, or then that means that you have to solve for the area of the whole square minus, okay, the area of the circle, and then you divide it by 2 so that you will get half of it. So if the diameter is, let's say if you're asked only for the fraction here, then you will have your, if the diameter is 20, that means that it's 10 by 20. So 10 by 20. So area, you can do that as well, the whole area minus the small part. Or this one, if you would notice, the radius is 10. Therefore, this part is also 10. Okay, so 20 times 10. All right, so the whole part on the other side is 20, and then you have one side which is 10. So if the diameter is 20, that means that the radius is 10. So therefore, the height of your rectangle is 10. So if you are asked what is the area, so the area will be 20 by 10, and then you subtract, okay, that will give you a 200. Subtract it by pi 10 square, which is minus 100. Am I covering myself? Yes, I think I'm covering myself. Okay, let me just move it here. Okay, so area would be the whole rectangular shape. That will be 20 by 10. That is 200. Okay, and then since it's semicircle, that's minus pi, the radius is 10 squared, and then we have to divide it by 2 because it's only half of your circle, and pi r squared is for the whole circle. So pi r squared, 100 pi divided by 2 will be 50 pi. So that will be your unit, I mean your area, not unit. That will be the area of your part, unshaded part, shaded with yellow, not unshaded part. Yay! I think we're done. Any question before we proceed with our game for tonight? I hope that there will be no lagging or nothing that would happen with our when we play the game. Any question, clarification before we proceed with our game for tonight? We'll be playing, once again, we'll be playing two Mobile Legend game tonight. I think the topic was quite easy for all of you because it's only area and circumference of circles. Okay, so if there are no questions, let me just set up. Okay, that's great. Maha Blanca. Let me just set up. Okay. Hopefully nothing would drop. For a while. All right. No science for tonight because the last time that we did science, I went over 1 hour, so I do not want to go beyond 1 hour. Okay, so we will be playing a few. Oh, there is a Kumo. Sorry for that. I forgot to close all the notifications. Yes, I would like to request if someone from the audience can start the game rather than I start it, because if I start it, then since I am on a Malaysian since I'm in Malaysia, so all of the people that we will be playing would be with the Malaysian, how do you call that? I do not know how to call those. Yay! Can I request? Okay. Can I request Maha Blanca or... Yes, for those that just watched and joined, we just finished our session on area and circumference of circle. Now we are... Yes, we play classic first and then we play rank if we have enough players. So classic. Maha Blanca, can you start the game? Yeah, please start the game, Maha Blanca, so that or Blue Glass or Main or me say hello. Can you start the game rather than I start the game? Because if classic, right? Yay! Blue Glass, you can invite 2 more. Yes, this is just to de-stress. We'll be playing just 2 games tonight. I'm not an expert of this game, but I do play. Please invite 1 more. Can you hear the sound? Hi, Krishan. Good evening. Sorry, Krishan, we just finished our lesson for tonight. It was on area and circumference of circles. And now we are just trying to relax and just play game. You can start, Blue Glass. You can start the game. We will be playing 2 games only for tonight. Live stream is only for an hour. Thank you for watching, by the way. Which one should I play? Yeah, we can play rank, Maha Blanca, if... Okay, I'll play Eve.
Among the planes exists the equilibrium, which I was
Nika, you can play Guinevere. Oh, okay. That's fine. Okay, let's try to win this game. Oh no! No one used red tree. You can turn on your mic, Maha Blanca. This is all Filipino people playing. You can turn on your mic. Wait, let me turn on my mic as well. Wow. Distressing.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Okay.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches.
Jai, mid ka, Jai.
Smash them.
Jai, mid ka, Jai. Ano naman?
Ako na lang mid.
The creators would die.
Which one, Christian? The Siponon? How did you get it? Which name? Yo.
I am their natural enemy. That is
Oh.
Oh, you
I do
do.
not seek truth. I
That is actually a
the idea.
that name is actually in my language it's a funny name. That means running nose. Wait, 1-1, wait, 1-1.
Bangin sa kumani.
Wait, 1-1, wait. Wait. Wait.
Ay, ikuha pag yun! Ikuha, nila ka ba? Retreat!
I think Eudora is lagging. I think Eudora.
Ano na kung kinuan?
Sorry. Sorry. Who's executed? Wait. Agoy! No! Sorry.
Aning, bayan na, panitabahin sa kundi dito! Kay! Bayan sa kundi!
Why bother?
Sorry for those that are streaming from different country. You cannot understand what we are talking here. Wait. We are Wait. Wait out. Wait.
Retreat!
Ay!
Ay,
Thank you. Patay.
Hey, yo, help me!
Ay!
Ay, balik na! Bali, oy!
Wait. Wait. Wow, Lancelot nila. Wait.
Balik!
Uy, Laila. Ay, Mia, down, Mia. Retreat, Mia. Wait, Mia, retreat. Agoy.
Okay na. Sir, retreat! Wala ko'y mana!
Wait sa.
Civilizations rise and fall. Your team destroyed a turret.
Yugi na yung puti.
Ally has been slain.
Yugi ko kay. Yugi ko kay.
Backup.
Wait sa ha. Wait sa.
Sige. Sige, hinto ko kay.
Push
Sige
first.
kay, hintay kay.
Ay!
Sige, attack na, attack. Push.
Hoy, mid, please, help.
Ayaw, dumugya kay.
Mid.
Oh.
Wait sa ha, wait sa. Mid. Mid. Nawa na. Mid.
You have slain an enemy.
Mid.
You're ahead in turret slain.
Mid. Wait, wait.
Sorry, ate.
Wait, push. Wait, move. Sorry. Ah! Maniac. Sorry, wrong side.
Balik.
Nawa na. Savage. Okay. Wait. Pacha. Wait.
Lante. Sa muka. Tungkol dahil.
Wait.
It's fine.
Wait sa.
Our turret is under attack.
Nawa na to, ani. Bantay. Rafaela, wait. Nasa bush si Kuan.
There are countless.
Diriging.
Launch attack. Our turret initiate.
Ate! Patay.
Initiate retreat.
Walay support.
Ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Oh, sila.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
Hindi ka punta.
What?
Your inhibitor turret is
Wait.
initiate retreat.
Ayan natin.
Ate, retreat na te.
Leader mo ko kayo.
Wait ah.
My turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Great responsibility. Beware of ambush. Civilization.
Hey! Apil din na pod.
balik mo na yan.
Ate, move!
Initiate retreat.
Bumaba ka yan.
Launch attack down.
Nice one, nice one. Push, push na, push na. Push.
Launch attack.
Go, 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 go.
Team destroy the turret.
Balik, balik.
Initiate retreat. What I need to care is what I need to do. Launch attack. I am their natural.
Wait ha. Wait.
Is inevitable.
Go! Dala, dala, patsaging, patsaging. Nice one, nice one. Nice one. Push, push. Careful mong Lancelot, hoy. Careful mong Lancelot.
Patay!
Hoy!
Iyak si ate.
Initiate retreat.
Ano mang mo retreat ta? Nay tawo? Kasi
Patay po ko.
si Laila right.
Initiate retreat.
Wait. I-heal ko, Rafaela. Rafaela, heal.
Team destroy.
Ay! Rafaela, heal.
Dungan data, dungan.
Their natural enemy.
Wait ha.
Defend the turret. Inevitable.
Nice one.
Mami for the delay.
What I need to care is what I need to do.
Kuha Mia.
Nasi kuhan siya. Jay, Jay!
Wait!
Jay, Jay!
Sorry, nadugay ko. Wait sa.
Hindi! Hindi!
Ah, hi.
Defend the turret.
Wait. Ato ning isel. Walay gamit ni.
Attack the Lord.
Yeah.
Jay!
Defend the turret. I am their natural.
Defend lang.
That is inevitable.
Defend.
Jay! Jay, Jay! Mati mo siya. Jay! Dili, ragun mo na lang sagot.
Jai. Wait ha. Ako Wait. Wait.
Ayaw mo na, Jay! Ekay!
I do not seek truth.
Wait sa. Wait sa. Wait sa. Retreat.
Initiate retreat. Ult is ready. Initiate retreat. Our turret is under attack. Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Wait. Retreat. Pikas, pikas.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Pikas.
Unahan si Lance! Unahan si Lance! Unahan si Lance, eh! Si Lance, eh! Kumaon!
Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Wait ha. Wait. Wait.
Battle spec ready.
Wait sa.
There are countless planes.
Hindi na nakasunod. Isunod na. Puro sila kuhan assassin.
Wait ha. Wait. Wait sa. Wait.
Ay! Ayaw gawas! Ayaw gawas!
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Oo, tinato!
Wait sa, wait. Defend sa, defend. Wait sa. Wait ha, wait. Wait for me. Okay?
Launch attack. Defend the turret.
Ano ka diyo?
Okay, ready, go!
But I need to care.
Nice one.
You have slain an enemy.
Okay. Nice one. Pikas, Eudora.
Dali ako gawas!
Initiate shift.
Ate!
Eudora.
Tala na!
Let's go na sa bush.
Nadia!
Sorry.
Killing spree.
Nice one, Lancelot, Pikas. Nasa top.
Enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Push first.
Nice, bestie.
Launch attack. Launch attack. Launch attack. Launch attack. Launch attack.
Top. Jaira, careful diha. Wakay kauban.
All I want to do is hunt them down.
Wait sa ha.
Wait.
Wait. Agoy, wait.
Balik!
Team destroyed a turret.
Retreat!
Ay!
Mia! Retreat! Mia!
Patay ko. Ate, why did you
Ayaw sa
oh,
Jai!
hindi mo kong gibiyaan.
Ayaw sa Jai!
Nawa na. Wala na ta. Wait sa. Jai! Retreat!
Ate! Balik te! Ayaw na lang! Nagulong ate! Ulo sa atin kami! Ikaw na po!
Again, defeat. Wow. Okay, last game before we end the live stream. Classic. Again, classic. Classic ate. Hi, Shacha.
Tumay di ay! Ay, out ko? Oo. Ay, rank ka ko? Itong tayo mo tangga.
What's that, rank game ta or what? Last game.
Sa kita kong tiyan.
Okay, rank.
Jai, pagtang ko no, Jai. Okay,
Okay, start na, start. Okay. So this is a game of
Hello?
hi. Mo play pa tag rank. Last game ni ate.
So this is a game of
Kisay magtank.
play with the ground. Last game natin.
Play tag rank. Mythic man si Red String. Di ko ka play. Exit tanan. Please exit game and start rank. Yes, Punini, can you start the rank game? Last game for tonight. Punini, please start the rank game. I will wait. Last game, Punini, rank. Okay. Dexin. Dexin. Yeah, start. Okay. We have to win this game.
Enemy is banning.
Kay Pildita last time.
Please ban a hero.
Kinsay ban?
Push na live ban.
Johnson's baby cologne.
The enemy is banning.
Okay. Ban Ling or Lancelot.
Your team is banning.
The Dragonborn is
The enemy is picking.
Magunsa si Dexin.
I've been waiting. Your team is picking.
set me on fire and I'll blaze through the battle.
No. The enemy is picking.
Last game, yeah. Last game for tonight.
I'm gonna be Bailey Rick.
Bailirik, okay. Okay, Bailirik.
I'm gonna try Bailey Rick.
Everything engulfed in flames.
Oh no, Atlas on the other side.
Please pick a hero.
Pwede tayo mag-double mage.
The enemy is picking. Your team is picking.
Um, Okay. Let's win this game. Wala may Aldo sa... Okay.
Wait. Now we elbows up.
Yes, this is the last game tonight before we end our live stream.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash that!
Ate, i-lower ang volume sa live, ate. Kaya nag-feedback. Nag-feedback, nag-echo. Ate, mute ang live, ate. Kay nag-feedback, nag-echo ko dire.
Roger's coming.
Ate, mute ang live. Kay nag-echo ko. Wait ah. Karina na skilled. Diroth na Karina skilled. Retreat na retreat, Diroth. Oh, okay. Wait sa Diroth. Nice one. Mid. Tabang. Ay na lang, okay ra. Kaya rin ako.
I'm gonna come with you, ate.
Hoy, Francis, wala lagi kagalihok. Dairoth di ay si Dairoth.
Launch attack!
Ako'y mana din.
Uli sa ate. Wait sa ate. Wait sa. Careful ha, careful.
Ate, should we go to top?
Wait sa. Amo say clear diri gang before mo mobalik.
And
Wait ha, i-clear na mo.
Split push. Initiate retreat.
Okay.
4, 5. Wow, look at all these carrots. Quick, run. Roger's coming.
Wait sa ate ha. Kay nas atlas paingon diri te. Wait, si Atlas paingon diri, wait. Wait, paingon si Atlas diri. Beleric mid, balik Beleric sa mid. Agoy. Wait sa. Wait. Shakoy. Atlas. Wait. Nice one. Retreat na, retreat. Wait sa. Wait ha. Nasa bush ate. Wait ate, nasa bush. Nice one. Pacha na, pacha. Nice one. Mid ate, mid. Dairoth nas, Atlas Dairoth, wait. Wait, push sa mid. Agay. Push sa mid. Wait, initiate retreat. Wait, careful mong Atlas. Wait, retreat. Beleric, wait. Wait sa Beleric. Careful ha. Wait sa. Tap. Wait sa, wait. Tap. Nice one. Ay naglantad Beleric, wait. Nice one. Retreat na, Beleric, wait. Mid. Mid. Careful. Wait. Sayanga. Sayanga sa akong ult. Careful! Wait! Mane! Wait! Wait! Agoy! Wait sa ha! Wait! Karina! Wait sa! Wait sa ha, nas mid si Karina, nas mid. Wait, push na mo dire. Retreat na, retreat. Retreat, X-Borg, retreat. Careful, Dairos. Wait. Careful, Dairos. Move. Tap, ate, tap. Shucks.
Just the greatest?
Okay.
Okay. Launch attack.
What is this place?
Initiate retreat.
It looks like we may be lost.
Wait, wait. Wait.
Initiate retreat.
Wait, ha? Wait. Ay! Shakoy! Nasubrahan! Retreat, hoy! Retreat! Wait, Beleric, wait!
Our turret.
Top Beleric, wait.
Destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. Our turret has been slain. Request backup. Turret.
Okay, mid. Ate, mid.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Wait sa. Wait.
Your team destroyed a turret. Push first. Wait for me. Initiate retreat. Request backup. Battle spell is ready.
Ready? Silong.
Okay.
Wait, wait.
What the mame?
Okay, wait sa. Retreat na. Mid. Nasa bush si Karina, wait ha. Ate, i-mute gamay ate, ga-feedback ko dire. Ate. Ate, ga-feedback ko dire ate, wait. Ate, ga-feedback ko, wait.
Run! Roger's coming!
Nice one, wait ha. Ay. Shakoy. Retreat sa. Mid. Ay! Shakoy! Hay! Retreat! Agoy! Retreat! Hawa na.
Our turret is under attack. Clear up lanes. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack. Our turret is
Shakoy!
request backup. Request backup.
Mid ta push, mid ta push.
Victory is home. Initiate retreat.
Push a mid.
Quick, run! Roger's coming.
Bantay ha. Bantay, bantay, bantay. Bantay, bantay.
Request backup. Wait.
Wait, wait sa, wait. Wait.
Don't you know I'm afraid of heights?
Wait sa, wait sa. Wait.
Double kill.
Nice one. Pikas, pikas. Pikas. Push na push. Nice one. Carry, pacha, pacha. Pacha's carry. Pacha's carry. Nice one. Yay!
Victory!
Alright. Thank you, thank you. That's it for tonight. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining. Good game. Good game, good game, good game. You were on live streaming. Thank you, everyone. All right, so that ends our live stream for tonight. Thank you for joining, and I hope that you were able to as well learn something tonight, not just play games but learn as well something about area and circumference of circles. And I hope that I would see you again next time. We will have maths and science, and probably if you are still on holiday, then we will do more games, but if not, then we will include more on the logic games next live stream next week. So I hope you have a good week and a good live stream as well. Thank you for joining us tonight, and God bless. See you next week. Bye, everyone. See you next week. Thank you. It was a good game, winning on rank. I'm still on epic, so I need to win more. Thank you. See you next week, and hopefully we will be able to play once again Mobile Legend or a few of our logic games. We will see how it would be next week. Depends on the request of our audience. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next week. Good night, everyone. Thank you for the game. Thank you for those who joined the classic and the rank game. Good night. Bye. God bless everyone. Thank you for joining.